This epitomizes the ultimate Mustang. From its unique front and rear appearance, a more aggressive front splitter and lower drag rear spoiler optimized for ideal aerodynamic balance at speeds of 120 or more, to its dressier cabin with leather stripes stitched into the leather and Alcantara seats color matched to the racing stripes on the outside. It's all about power and expressing power. This previously owned 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 on Vancouver Island delivers the most power and refinement ever for a Ford SVT tuned performance Mustang, and a few surprises too. This Shelby offers a great combination of power, handling, and braking. It is truly a special car that's a great deal of fun to drive. It's powered by a supercharged and intercooled 5.4-liter dual overhead cam V8 engine to produce 540 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque, the red line at 6,250 RPM. The car's aluminum power dome hood not only adds to the Shelby's appearance, it helps cool the engine through a hood extractor. The Shelby's open element air induction system features a conical air filter instead of a flat panel closed system to reduce air restriction. This approach allows more air to be pumped through the engine, producing more power and increasing the engine's efficiency. The cold air intake feeds the coolest air possible directly into the airbox, helping further increase horsepower. That intake necessitated moving the Cobra snake badge to the other side of the grille to enable maximum airflow. The twin disc clutch on the 6-speed manual transmission has been significantly upgraded. The discs on the 2010 Shelby GT500 are large, 250 millimeters in diameter, and made of copper and fiberglass to make them more robust. Ford's special vehicle team also spent a lot of time getting the right sound quality out of the exhaust so you can get that nice, crisp Shelby sound outside and a pleasant sound inside the cabin. It's a nice balance, one that isn't overpowering the other. Driving dynamics are also improved thanks to SVT's signature chassis turning as well as 19-inch Goodyear F1 supercar tires and forged aluminum wheels on the 2010 Shelby GT500 Coupe. The extra machining process creates blade spokes with very thin yet strong cross sections. The spokes have a specific curve from the rim to the hub, not only for strength, but also to accentuate the offset and width of the tires. The 2010 Shelby GT500 features advanced track Ford stability control system with several options for performance. The default on mode accommodates everyday driving, and a sport mode delivers for those wanting to put the Shelby through its paces on the track. Standard safety equipment includes dual-stage front airbags, side impact airbags, and Ford's personal safety system. A unique front splitter helps to create as much downforce with as little drag as possible. The design of the front fascia and the car's flush hood helps focus airflow so air can't go underneath the car. The top grille focuses air into the radiator with a rubber flap inside the engine compartment helping to seal the system. The lower grille helps cool the intercooler. SVT engineers also went as far to block off specific diamonds in the front of the Shelby's distinctive grille to help maintain the correct cooling and aerodynamic balance. This Shelby Mustang has the ultimate interior, using genuine materials such as real leather in all the seats, real aluminum on the instrument panel, and Alcantara inserts on the seats and steering wheel give the appearance and precisely crafted jewel-like yet functional feel. You'll definitely know you're in a Shelby. The center stack flows into the console and features a sub-flush shifter trim ring, flush cup holder door, and lockable console stowage featuring the word Shelby engraved into its satin liquid chrome release button. 2010 Shelby features bright 360-degree rings surrounding the gauge cluster, uninterrupted by the steering column. And these rings are a satin liquid chrome finish on the GT500. This finish is featured throughout the interior. An intricate cobra is etched into the center of the aluminum steering wheel badge. This much power corrupts one's ability to observe speed limits pretty easily. So there's a 12-volt plug up high on the dash within easy reach of any enforcement countermeasures. When you drive this car, you're not only going to be impressed by the performance and the Shelby heritage, but you're going to see all these carefully designed details and know you've bought a well-crafted car that's been well-maintained and cared for. Built at the Auto Alliance International plant in Flat Rock, Michigan, and locally owned and never winter-driven on Vancouver Island. It's priced to sell at just $46,000. Serious inquiries may call Dale Doogie Griffiths at 250-618-3447.